Yeah, and yesterday's sale that you made with your humongous filled juices that you could pick from your huge juice cart, and ever since you've started your brand new career on this juice truck outside for summer, it's all been so very amazing, and I really am loving all your amazingest brand new juices that you've actually made and that people get to promote you with. Yeah, but it's just that the problem is, ever since I've been starting to learn Italian with the macaron cupcake from CupcakeVille, I just feel like that ever since I've started my job and I know that I've been making a lot of money, which is super juice-tastic. But the thing is, with all my customers, I can't even have all of my customers all at once, because I feel like it feels like a full juice cart or a huge, humongous glass of juice that's overflowing. I mean, do you remember last week when I had my huge sale and I just started off with my job and then I made lots of money, but then people were getting in the way? Okay, miss, okay, I'm gonna get your juice berry pop flavor. I'm just working on it right now. Here's your milkshake. Hey, what about my milkshake? I'm waiting on my milkshake, ma'am, and it's taking forever. I mean, I've been in this line for over 100 minutes, it feels like. You need to hurry up, miss, and then hurry up with my milkshake. I know, miss, you just gotta be patient, okay? Where is our rainbow swirl blast? We're waiting on it. Where is our brand new milkshake? We're looking for it. I know. It's just I have to work on my customers' other stuff. Hold on. Yeah, well, you better hurry up, miss. I'm getting hangry. Yeah, us too. Where's my flavors? And it wasn't that easy when I was just starting my business. And I mean, I'm trying to hire lots of people, but it feels like I've been wanting absolutely no help, and it hasn't been helpful at all, as you can see, and I just have been so busy, and that I need help. And I need to start hiring people in this juice truck, because I might be doing it like for years now. And I feel like I've been doing it for a while. Yeah, because you're so very good at making juices, and that I believe in you, and that you're so talented and amazing. Thank you. That's why I wanted to close today, because it was so exhausting today for like my full juice truck. Yeah, and maybe if you just maybe start you open up today, I'll be there, and then I'll be there to support you. Oh yeah, you will? Yeah, and I believe in you. I believe that you can do this, Juliana. Alrighty, I will open up today. Alrighty, Juliana Juice's juice truck is now open for business. Alrighty, I'm gonna get right into it. Alrighty, well, good luck. Oh, this is gonna be a super fun day, and I cannot wait to do my brand new business. Alrighty, so let's get started with my full crowd of my fans. Hey, oh my goodness, you guys, it's Juliana Juice's juice truck. It's open. Yay! Hello, how may I help you? Hey, you remember me from last time? I really wanted that big, huge milkshake, and you never got it for me? Oh my goodness, it's gonna be so exciting. Oh no, the big, huge crowd is coming back. What am I gonna do? I don't know what I'm gonna do now. Well, I'll try to make you a milkshake. Already, so I'm gonna make you a milkshake. Order up. Here's your full milkshake that you asked for. I asked for a vanilla milkshake. And this is so amazing. I love this so very much. Alrighty, here's your full rainbow shake that you wanted, as requested, has been granted. Next. Hello, this is me, and this is my big sister. This is Rihanna. Oh, Rihanna, what are you doing here? Well, I just thought since you have been opening up this week, that I thought that maybe me and my little sis could maybe help you with the juice truck, because I have heard that there have been very mean people in your lines, and that they have not been kind to you at all during your business. Yeah, that is sort of true. It was last week when I was just beginning to start. Well, you know what? I thought that you could have a extra hand. Yeah, and it was my idea. I wanted to start, and I wanted to help you because I know how exhausting it is. Oh, little Rihanna Rainbow, you're so very sweet, like a cupcake. Well, I try. Alrighty, so do you think we could be hired? Yep, you sure can. You're hired. Yeah, I'm so excited. I'm just a little girl, and I get to have a job. Yay!